Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Andrea and tonight I am going to do a makeup haul. Of course, yes, you heard it right. This time it's a makeup haul. I used to do this back in the days with my other YouTube channel, but it's just so happened that I'm more interested on luxury unboxing right now. So anyways, I grabbed this item quite a while now. It might have been last week of December, and these are actually the limited edition Wonderwoman collection that I've got from Kiko. And I'm really sorry if these are not available anymore because, to be honest with you, when I went there was just quite a few left. So without further ado, let's start. So the first item that I've got in here is this really nice blue metallic finish cosmetic pouch, and this is how it looks like. I was looking for a red, but they said it only comes in blue, but nevertheless it's just so pretty and I thought it's really spacious. This is how the interior looks like. It's got that wipeable interior material that I really love. And that's the first item. And moving on to the second item, I grabbed this brush powder brush, and it's really nice. I really love it. I really love the limited edition Kiko brushes because I thought they're really nice and pretty. So this is how it looks like. It's actually a double-ended brush, and this one is a powder brush, and I suppose this one is a foundation brush or a contour brush. So it's in a metallic as well. How do you call this one? Handle with the Wonder Woman W logo and with the Kiko logo as well. And then that's the second item. And then I managed to grab lipsticks, quite a few. I managed to grab 5 lipsticks. This is what I've got. Look at that. I love the packaging. I just love the red packaging that has got the Kiko and Wonder Woman logo in it. Actually, the whole collection consists of 6 lipsticks, but I didn't really like the number one shade. So these are the collections that I've got. I have taken them already from the boxes just to save a little bit more of time. And let me just show you guys how it looks like. So this is how the packaging looks like. As you could see, oh my god, it is so pretty. I really love the shades and the color and as well the packaging. And as you could see, there's the Wonder Woman logo in gold print. That's just the front. And then let me just show you guys the back as well, the other side of the packaging. Oh, it's quite hard to hold them all together because so on the other side, as you could see, it just says Kiko. Unfortunately, this lipsticks hasn't got names. It just says the number on it. And yeah, so let me just do the swatches. So the first one, I've got the number 2. This is the number 2. See, that's the number 2. And then the next one is number 3. I didn't grab the number 1 because it was just very light and doesn't really suit with my complexion. Number 2. Oh, they're almost similar because they're nude. And then the number 3 is another nude shade. This is number 4. That's number 4. I really love all this nude shade. And then the number 5 is kind of fuchsia metallic pink. See, that's the fuchsia. And then finally I've got the bright red. My all-time favorite will be, this is the bright red. See, that's the swatches, really nice and beautiful. My all-time favorite will be this and this one. So there you are, you guys. That's all the lipstick that I've got. And then the last but not the least is I managed to grab this mug from Wollaton Park. And this is how it looks like. I really love the packaging as well. It's got the Wonder Woman logo. And I've got a red cup. It's so nice. I really love it. It's quite tall compared to other ordinary mugs. So it's so pretty, I love it, and it's just, oh, nice to hold when you're having a cup of coffee or tea. So there you are, you guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all on my next video. Bye! Mwah.